Hey folks, welcome to the Quotable Classroom. I'm Ms. Z. It's good to see you. I have not posted in a long time because I have been working, teaching, trying to get a grasp on my curriculum, which changed a little bit and doing PD and doing all those things that we do, and I moved to a new classroom. I didn't even film my last classroom, but I moved to a new classroom, so I'm going to try to get better about my postings. And somebody, I have no idea who, but somebody sent me something goodie. I think it's a goodie from my wish list. I'm kind of shy about putting my wish list out there, but I decided to put one out there on Facebook, and I got something from Sarah Goodrich. I believe in you. Keep changing the world one student at a time. Sarah, oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I don't even know what it is, but I'm just so touched. Thank you. Oh, I saw a keyword. I gotta dig into it. Look at this. Isn't that neat? All right, let's see what this is. Best teacher kit. Okay, one of the things that I love to do to cut down on superfluous grading. If you teach, you feel me on that. Superfluous grading, the grades that the students need something tangible. They need something right then and there, and not everything is worth a grade. So how do you motivate your students to get that done? This was on my wish list, and it's been on there for a while actually, and I'm just so broke I haven't been able to get it. So I am so stoked. Take a look at that. Can you hear my refrigerator? So what I do is I get my VIP, my student of the week, to go around on certain days and check for bell work, and they get that. Great effort, excellent, please correct and return. That's a good one. Parent signature, that's a good one. I'll keep for me 100%. Very good, great work. Let's work together on this one. Sarah, thank you so much. You have taught me so much, and I am forever indebted to your guidance and leadership. You're amazing, and this was the very first thing that I received, and I will treasure it and I will use it, and my students will love it. So thank you so much. I gotta get out of here and go pick up my daughter. I've made some good improvement here. Check out this bookshelf. Check out this amazing bookshelf. If you can envision it, that's going to be my calming corner over there. If you ever just need to chill out, students, teachers, come on by. There's a spot for you. I'm going to try and get some pads for some cushions for my coffee tables that are going to go there. And then I've got some independent work right there, and I've got my groups over here. I've got 2 different desk stations for me because teachers always have observations and things like that, so I want my observer to have a comfortable spot. So here's one little area that's gonna get fixed up soon, and I was just at my other area, which is gonna be right here. Okay. Those are our books that we're reading this year. It's my library over there. I'm getting really excited. Are you, teachers? Are you? I've got a brand new curriculum, brand new platform to use the curriculum on. So it's gonna be a learning process. But you know what? It's a learning process for our students too. So we need to just be patient with ourselves and with each other. And I'm really fortunate that I have been blessed with admin in my life who are very patient and understanding with me. So lots to do. I got these huge windows. I'll probably put some washi tape up on it and that sort of thing. Make it pretty, make it inviting. And yeah, that's it. Going on 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut it there. take it easy. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great. I'm getting out of here. I got lots to do at home, and it's a weekend, and I got to come back. But this is my happy place. This is my happy place. I hope your classroom is your happy place too. And I'm looking very much forward to posting some more videos to all of you guys. So, Quotable Classroom, send me in your favorite quotes. I love surrounding my students with quotes. I teach 8th grade ELA, but I use quotes from everything because ELA touches everything. I've got math quotes, science quotes, art quotes, music quotes. You name it, I got it, but I could always use more. So you send it in to me. Sarah, again, thank you so much. You inspire me very much, and I really appreciate you. Love you, and I love all of you too. Bye.